Hey, Man in the Mayhem here, and today we have a small but mighty package. So let's crack it open and have a look what's inside. So as you can probably see, this haul has come from Midwest Gadgets. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in this package, even though it's so small, so I'm very much looking forward to showing you all through this. This has come from HamSpiced from Midwest Gadgets, and I really can't wait to show you all of this. So let's pull it all to one side and bring it on one at a time. So I'll start off with some of the smaller items. First off, we've got 2 stickers and we've got 1 patch. And what's slightly different about these stickers is they're actually NFC tags. So if we grab our Flipper Zero here and post it on top, we can actually read and reprogram these tags to different URLs. In the moment, they're all going to Midwest Gadgets, as you can imagine. And the same goes for these stickers as well. So once again, if we just clear that off, on top of the sticker, bosh, there we go. So one of these will definitely be going onto my sticker board, and the patch is going to be going hopefully onto a bag build that I'm doing at the moment. So it's a really quick and easy iron-on patch. You can see the NFC coil here, and that way whenever anyone asks me where I got all my bits and bobs from, I can say Midwest Gadgets. How cool is that? Next up is a field enhancer for the Proxmark 3. Each side's got a set of instructions on of how best to use it. Lovely HamSpiced logo here as well. And what this does is this goes onto the back plane of your Proxmark 3 to give you a much better read than the coils that are built into the actual Proxmark 3. Very much looking forward to getting this dismantled and getting this back plane fitted correctly to this Proxmark. Next up we have the field meter. This thing's proper class, because one of the things with NFC is you can't actually see the signals and it's difficult to be able to get a decent read on them. And what this allows you to do is to push and hold the button, hover this over a field, and it will tell you what the strength is. So once again, if I just grab my flipper for an example and set my flipper to read mode, I should be able to actually put this on top and be able to detect how strong the field is at what sort of areas on the device. So that's really cool when working with different readers to find out exactly what strengths we're working with and what sort of size fields we're working with. I put these next two together because I really like the way they work together, and that is the field repeater and the field detector. These two work absolutely phenomenally together. The first one here, the field repeater, allows you to put this in as a midway point between your reader and your actual device, and it will enhance that field to make it so it's much easier to get. This is really good if you've got, say, an implant in a difficult place, or you're trying to read a card that you can't get quite close enough to the reader with. It's also fun to experiment with how you can read different fields. And the device next to it here is the field detector. This thing is genius. It is tiny and it works exactly how you want it to. You place this item in front of a field and it will detect if there is one there. So as you can see, as we get close to the flipper, we can see that it's actually currently got its NFC reader on. And the more powerful the field, the brighter the light goes. So you can really see that the NFC is working properly and where the field is and where the field isn't. And the reason why I've paired these together is you can do some really quite fun things where you can see how strong a field is, put the actual repeater in place and see how far out you can get your reader to go. So you probably can't tell too much from this angle. We're actually getting a real big distance compared to what was originally there on the actual reader. So I'll see if I can put this sideways for you to see. So if I put the flipper here, put the actual repeater here, and hopefully if I tilt it just a little bit, you can see that little red light going off compared to the distance that we had originally. It's really quite cool to get to those NFC tags that are in hard to reach places. Well, that's funny. Completely by accident here, I've just thrown this straight onto the table and managed to completely change the orientation of the reader. I'm very intrigued now if it'll actually pick up a tag in this orientation, so I'm going to just chuck one on top quickly. So once I took away the actual detector, it has been able to read it from a completely different orientation. That's so cool. This is what I mean about experimenting with this sort of stuff. It's read it correctly as well. Absolutely stunning. This next piece is a NFC field generator. This is quite a cool little maker's kit. So here you have the actual field generator itself. We have the antenna, and we also have our USB-C pigtail. So the way this works is you cut this cable in half, you put your antenna on, negative to negative, positive to positive, and then you put your pigtails for the power onto the other side, plug in any USB-C device, and instantly you have got an NFC field generator that's up and running for testing different devices. This is really quite cool for like powering implants that have got lights in, or just checking how to develop and change fields and extend fields. Really cool little maker space sort of kit. Very cool that this exists. Inside this tiny little envelope, we have got 4 NFC field enhancers. This is where the real black magic comes in from HamSpiced. So these little stickers actually refocus the NFC signals and pump them straight through its own antenna. So they may just like stickers, but inside there is a very highly developed couple of coils that allow the field to get much stronger and focus it much better. And this is kind of where the black magic side of things come in, so I'll show you this now. If I take my flipper and I place it reading right now, and I use my little field detector, so you'll see that just about a centimetre above, I'm getting a flashy light. And if I push the actual detector on top of the flipper, you'll see that I get a nice big red light. And as I move it across the flipper, you'll see how it kind of changes its brightness. If we take one of our little magical field enhancers and place this on top, what you'll see is the signal completely change. So over here now at 1 centimetre, we have nothing. Over here at 1 centimetre, we have nothing. Oh, we have a little bit. And then when we come over the top of our actual enhancer at 1 centimetre, look how bright the light is. And if I now drop this down on top, we get a really, really intense light. So what that's doing is actually it's taking the NFC field that's been developed by the internal antenna, it's reshaping it and refocusing it, and then putting it through this field enhancer. So these stickers can be placed onto any device that develops an NFC field to kind of enhance those fields and focus them. HamSpiced has gone one step further though and created a specific Flipper Zero one. So I won't stick this on yet because I'm actually going to be making a video for a new case on this flipper. But by putting this field generator here, it will refocus that signal to be much stronger. So as you can see here, we get that much stronger high intensity signal there. And this does need to make sure you align it really, really well, because even if it's out by a millimetre, you can see that the intensity changes completely. So just making sure that this particular field enhancer is correctly aligned makes a big difference. The more keen-eyed of you may have noticed that there was a SMA pigtail coming off here too, and this comes out to a breakout card down here. So what's really cool is you can keep your flipper in your pocket and then have the NFC field come out to this card to be able to scan a card rather than the flipper. And as you'll see here, we get a really intense signal at the end of the card, and this is for reading and for writing. HamSpiced has also included an extra long SMA pigtail as well, so you can actually keep your flipper right in your pocket and just have the card in your hand to be able to covertly place the card onto the table over other people's cards, or to be able to just scan the card for a door to look slightly less suspicious than if you were handling a flipper. I still can't quite get over how cool that is and how well it actually works. And just to make sure that we are actually scanning things, here comes in one of the logos, and there we go. We have scanned that through the field enhancer, through the extension card. So cool. And last but not least is a VNA probe. So a VNA is a vector network analyzer, and this probe allows you to kind of screw in with an SMA to be able to start reading and looking at different waveforms that are being given off by different passive NFC chips. So I haven't got a VNA yet, but I'm looking forward to getting one and experimenting and playing with this as well. Right, well I hope you found that interesting. If you want to follow me into my journey to NFC and RFID, please make sure you like, follow and subscribe. If you've got any questions about this equipment, just drop me a bell in the comments or come try and find me in the Discord. Please go and show HamSpiced some love at Midwest Gadgets. He's an absolute legend, and the fact that he's helping and developing all of this technology to share his amazing knowledge with the rest of the community, I think is just absolutely brilliant. So if you can support him, please do. Right, happy hacking, catch you next time.